Get ready to experience luxury living like never before in this 6,500 square foot custom-built masterpiece priced at $4 million.
This home really does have it all.
Seamless, smart integration designed to simplify your luxurious life.
Thoughtful and fun design surprises.
And a fully finished basement, perfect for entertainment enthusiasts.
No fluff, no nonsense, just pure luxury.
This is 1804 Writer's Circle. Welcome to Você, Brentwood's hidden gem. Inspired by country music legend Eddie Arnold, who once called this land home, this prestigious 61-acre neighborhood prioritizes preserving its luxurious landscape. But what truly sets Você apart is its location. Located just across from the respected Richland Country Club, residents enjoy world-class golfing and exclusive amenities. Next door, Radnor Lake State Park offers stunning hiking and wildlife experiences. Today, we'll be touring the only home currently available in Você, a 2018 custom build by renowned designer featured in Architectural Digest and Elle Decor.
Shall we? As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by this open and airy space with light floors, exposed beam ceilings, and walls painted in a soothing cream palette.
I love all the attention to detail the owners put in this home. They really put a lot of thought into it. These curved wooden doors are architecturally beautiful on their own and also conceal a tucked away bar.
I mean, look at that custom wallpaper. Now notice the brass finishes. We're gonna see that throughout the entire home.
And keep an eye out for lots of these expansive windows. The designer used them to show off the elevation, giving views of treetops and ever-changing sunsets. It's like having a living work of art that changes throughout the day and the season.
And just think about those cozy autumn nights curled up in front of the fireplace with a good book or a special someone.
Let's make our way to the kitchen, which is the core of this home. Here they featured this bold black stone island, which adds a touch of contrast, and this slate gray breakfast nook, perfect for cozy family breakfasts.
And the finishes in here are impeccable. Notice the brass. They've used it again in the door handles, the plumbing fixtures, and even on the lighting. It really elevates the space so nicely.
I think one of my favorite things about the home is the butler's pantry. I love how they've designed the space. It's classic and beautiful. You'd find me hiding in here a lot.
You can stay in there. This space is where you'll find me. This enclosed porch area is brilliant. The electronically controlled windows let you enclose the space so you can set the perfect temperature anytime.
Or enjoy the breeze without the bugs.
Let's retreat to the main level primary suite. They've made it a true sanctuary.
This primary bath is a spa lover's dream. You have this large freestanding soaking tub, walls lined in beautiful marble, but my favorite is the heated tile floors, which ensure comfort on those early mornings.
Let's not forget this custom, expansive walk-in closet built for two. No more wardrobe dilemmas here.
And these windows in the primary suite provide tons of natural light, treetop views, and sunsets. But when you want to sleep in, just pull the custom blackout drapes. As we head upstairs, you'll find a spacious bonus room, perfect for sleepovers and movie nights. I love how they tucked these bunks behind this arched opening. It's such a thoughtful detail.
Additionally, there are 3 very spacious bedrooms, all with their own ensuite baths that feature tile floor and custom wallpaper. And just wait until you see the kids' excitement when they find the hidden getaway.
As we head downstairs, the basement is a delightful surprise, filled with natural light that makes it feel like part of the main living space.
And if you step over here, you're going to find the handsome built-in wet bar, complete with the wine fridge and an ice maker. And for those special onophiles with a large wine collection, come here. You have a custom temperature-controlled wine cellar. It is so chilly in here.
There's a home gym to help you stay fit and a handsomely designed office for those who work from home. And I can't get over these stunning views.
And finally, we have to step out to see this lush and private backyard.
They created this great outdoor space with a built-in grill area, covered patio, perfect for alfresco dining, fire pit for cozy evenings, and a meticulously manicured lawn.
Yeah, it is perfect for a pool.
That concludes our tour of 1804 Riders Circle, a custom home meticulously crafted to embody luxury and thoughtful design. We'd like to thank listing agent Tristan Kinsley with Compass for letting us share his phenomenal listing with you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to explore more luxurious Nashville homes like this.
Thanks for joining us today. We cannot wait to show you more of these beautiful homes again soon.